Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we go and check in on the Sidekicks, see how Lance the ambulance is getting on, and talk about the crazy upcoming adventure. Cue the intro. So, I'm back at the Sidekicks secret layer, and what I've done, I've come to basically get the running water out of the tap, so when I go away, I can actually have a drink of water and do washing up, instead of using a bucket or a stream like wild people do. But everything now here works. Obviously there's no water, but I just pull this up and it turns on the tap, and happy days, and we're all good. So, you know, mine's really posh. But of course, we have just announced our next big adventure, the chance for people to, you know, have literally a personal invitation, and we've got a few people coming, and everybody that's helped donate towards making this into the most bestest beast in the world is going to get to come along. So, Sidekick,
yes,
we have announced probably one of the most dangerous, well, it is the dangerous pass in the UK, the Green Lane, and obviously we're going to take our not kitted out monkey cycle and Vespa.
Yeah.
I mean, this is going to be like stupidly dangerous.
Stupid.
It's going to be a right laugh.
I am really looking forward to it. It is going to be good, and it is really stupid. You know, it's a really stupid idea to be doing it on the bikes that we're going to do it on. It's like,
but this time, for a change,
yeah,
we could actually work together, because
we're going to have to, aren't we? We're going to have no choice, but we've got to work together.
So every time I come off, you're going to push me out, you're going to tow me out, and you're going to help carry me out.
We're going to have to do it as a team, so that works both ways.
Yeah,
well.
absolutely.
You know, you're going to have
yeah.
to help me as well. Not laugh at me if I have to push the bike over something. You're going to have to come and help.
Okay. You would do our laugh with the camera first, and then I'll come and help.
That's all right, that's all right.
As long as we put dramatic music, so I'm the hero, it's all good.
That's expected. But yeah, it is going to be pretty gnarly. You've seen, I mean, people have probably gone on and seen some of the videos and stuff now, and yeah, we're going to have to, well, I'm going to have to do a bit of prep on the Vespa, I think, to get it ready.
Well, this was what I was going to say next. Are we going to like go Mad Max? So we're going to literally make them so you can like shave some of your hair off, get a few piercings, some tattoos, and we can make it into that. Really dramatic, really big.
Probably do like an A-team kind of scene where we bring it in and all the
Sparks.
music starts, sparks, and we'll ride them out, and
There'll be like proper off-roading adventure bikes,
yeah,
like micro machine versions.
Yeah.
So not just that, you've been working on the camper. Last time you would not let me look inside the camper because you were like, it's not ready yet. Can we have a look now?
It's still not finished, but it's near. Yeah, you can have a look now. Let's have a look.
Hang on a minute. Hang on, right? Seriously, that's gonna have to go. Whatever that is, I'm guessing that's so you can like have another midget on the top.
Bunk bed, yeah.
That's nicer than mine, so that's gonna have to go. You're gonna have to put some cheap crap in it. Yeah, but and you've got gas.
Gas, yeah. Of course I have.
Are you taking a mick? You like
I do things properly, don't I?
think of it like this, right? Brad, like when Brad Pitt goes and films, he stays in the VIP luxury thing, and his stunt,
Which is what I've got.
his stunt double
Oh right.
goes in like a little camper sort of trailer. You can't have the better one. You're not allowed to have a nice one. Yours has got to be even more rubbish than mine.
No.
Dude, this is well nice.
So it's still not finished, still things I want to do to it, but it's getting there. And I'm away in it next weekend for a little family holiday. So
Is that your big test?
That's the test, yeah.
So let's just talk about some of the things you've done. So on yours, none of this is on mine because you've not done mine properly yet, but I'm sure that you will. You've got solar panels now on the roof. 2
solar panels up there. Running through the MPPT charger. I've got 2 leisure batteries. So everything's going to run off with leisure batteries. I'm having no 240 hookup. So I can go and park this in the middle of nowhere, run the heater, run everything I need to run. And we can, you know, wild camp in it.
You can, you mean?
I can. You'll have to.
I'll have to go to a campsite and plug into electric and have, you know, heating and stuff like that. I can see you've done the most important thing though. You've definitely been cool because you put fairy lights in, so you have a bit
lights up,
of like a disco in it. But You're pretty much there.
Water in there, water tanks, the gas is in there, portaloos under there, the most important thing.
So is this why you've not come on any adventures and done anything? Because you've just lived in this van for the last probably month.
Yeah, I mean the interior stuff, that's not taken that long. It's all the mechanical stuff I've done as well. But yeah, literally since I've bought this is all I've been doing, which is why we've done no bike related videos, is because I've been boring and just been working on this the whole time.
But we're there now. We've got 3 weeks until we're about to go on this big adventure. Yep. Both fans are pretty much ready to go. We're going to put, obviously, these are going to be able to take our bikes. We're going to be able to go there, and hopefully a few people that have had the invitations are going to come and join us as well. We're going to have a barbecue. We're probably going to die trying to do this off-road route. You've been working out, I take it, so you can carry me when I need to be carried. Obviously, I'm a lord, so I'm not going to get stressed and tired and stuff like that. And we're pretty good to go. Yeah. Except from we need to paint my van. So I'm going to order the paint, and then you're going to paint it, and I'll make it look like I've done it again. And it'll be really good.
I didn't say I was going to paint it.
Well, you are, though. So when it comes down to prepping the bikes, okay, I'm going to probably put on a bash shield on the Monkey, because it's all that it really needs, because the Monkey bike is the best motorcycle in the world. Obviously, the Vespa is the second best and needs loads and loads of work going. But I think the Sidekick has taken inspiration from when I did the charity trip and I rode that little Vision, that little 50cc across the beach to the ocean. If you've not seen it, it's well worth checking out. So he's taken inspiration yet again from me, and look what he's bought. So I've got a Maxxis off-road tyre. I can't remember what number it is, but I've actually brought, this is the first one to be delivered. I've brought one for the front, one for the rear, so I'm going full knobblies. These, I mean, you can see, look at the pattern on that. That is quite good. That's quite a decent tyre, that.
I've finally admitted if we're going to keep off-roading, I've got to change the tyres. I keep talking about it, but I have actually put my hand in my pocket and bought the tyres.
Do you not think you should just buy a Monkey bike and save yourself a load of hassle? Because it can do everything everywhere. The other thing with yours is, I was just thinking, we're going to, looking at, again, some of the videos that's been sent to us of this route and how nuts it is, yours is going to be like a jet ski going down there. Yeah. So why don't we just make it into a jet ski? And then that way you can just go across the water top. Yeah. And then you could tow me behind and I could do the thing, just in my pants behind, like surfing.
So I'm going to go through and waterproof everything. I'm going to move some electrical components and stuff up out the way of the water. Yeah. Waterproof all the electrical, all the connections and things like that, because it's not going to do well in water as it is at the minute. But I'm going to do something about that so we can do some proper... hopefully do some proper water crossings with it and see if it gets stuck. I'm
just taking a tub of Vaseline and just giving it a good old lube in. That's all you need to do. You're not seeing all the films. Get a bit of Vaseline, a bit of lube, bit of a...
What are we talking about now?
Protecting the bikes from water. What?
Oh, right.
You're a dirty man, aren't you? Yeah, just Vaseline it. Just literally get a tub of Vaseline and just smooch it all over it and it'll be perfectly fine.
Well, I hear you have it delivered in, by the bucket load, don't you? So.
Well, Brute and Vaseline all the time, mate, yeah. 100%.
Come around and nick a bit of your Vaseline.
Yeah, you can't put your fingers in my... Well, not, no, that's just... You are sick. Right. Okay, so that was a really quick update of what we're doing, because behind the scenes, obviously, we've got families, we're going on holidays and stuff like that, but we are working really hard. We are at the point of making this literally 3 weeks. We will be there in 3 weeks' time, riding one of the most dangerous roads, well, the dangerous road in the world, well, the UK, but we'll say the world because it sounds better. So there is still time if anybody does want to come and support the channel, and literally from 99p you can become a patron and you will get the information to where we're staying and what we're doing. But do you know what? They will be on Patreon first as well, so really do consider joining us on Patreon. And if you want to donate directly to the van or help out, if that's what you want to do by helping us paint it, etc, etc, get in touch. But 3 weeks, we are going to go on the most nuts, dangerous adventure this channel has done so far. Well, there you go. There is the Sidekicks Lance, the ambulance, and he's doing a pretty good job. It looks absolutely awesome. Of course, it's nowhere near as good as my bod job. I mean, my absolute 11 out of 10 job on the Monkey Cycle camper, because obviously mine's a go everywhere, do anything vehicle, and his is just a camper, and I'm not jealous at all in any way. Not at all. But if you are interested in coming on this crazy little adventure just coming up, or supporting the channel, you can either become a patron, send a donation towards the build of the campervan. There is so much more stuff I want to get done. I generally do want to get the graphics done before we go. If not, it will just have the yellow paint done. There's a whole electrical system and stuff I sort of need to take care of in the ideal world as well, so we can do a little bit of off-grid stuff in the future. But at the end of the day, if you're able to help out and support the channel in any way that you can, from being a patron to donating towards camper, or having a set of skills that can help with the camper, this is the time. The you know, the special invitations for all the people that are patrons and people that have donated have gone out, and I will send an invitation to anybody that wants to get involved in the meantime. But like I said, we're only a few weeks away, so once we're there, once that's done, that's it, that's your opportunity gone. So this really is the time. I just want to say as well, if you are interested in becoming a patron, patrons do get to see the videos first. Their names are in the credits, and of course they get to leave all the comments and everything first as well. So it's a great place to be. It's a really nice community, and it really makes me smile every day to see that people are that interested in the channel that they're willing to help out. It is just absolutely brilliant. And then I just want to say, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. Join the many people that subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the next crazy episode. The thumbs up and the bell button, and then you'll get notified every time a video comes out. Anyway, we live by 3 things on this channel, and it's the most important things in life. It's the gospel, and that's eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.